Welcome to today's review, where we reveal the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. From cutting-edge technology to sleek designs, these models are transforming healthy cooking. Stay tuned until the end, because our number 1 pick may surprise you with features you didn't know an air fryer could offer. Number 5. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a countertop powerhouse that combines versatility with precision. With its Element IQ system, 13 cooking functions, and extra-large capacity, this oven promises to replace multiple appliances in your kitchen. Let's explore. The standout feature is Breville's Element IQ system. Powered by 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms, this oven distributes heat exactly where it's needed. Combined with digital PID temperature control, it eliminates cold spots and ensures consistent results, whether you're roasting a turkey or baking delicate cookies. This oven isn't just for traditional baking. With air fry settings, you can enjoy crispy golden fries without the extra oil. It also dehydrates up to 4 trays at once, making it perfect for homemade fruit snacks or beef jerky. Healthier options have never been this convenient or delicious. Thanks to its 2-speed convection fan, the oven offers both regular and super convection. The high-volume airflow speeds up cooking by up to 30% while maintaining even heat distribution. That means faster weeknight dinners, beautifully roasted meats, and perfectly crisp air-fried favorites every time. With 13 functions, including pizza, proofing, slow cook, and warm, this oven replaces multiple appliances. Its spacious interior fits a 14-pound turkey, 9x13 pans, or a 12-cup muffin tray. Whether it's a family dinner or holiday meal, the Breville delivers flexibility and convenience. The LCD display simplifies navigation, showing preheat progress and countdown timers. An interior light helps track food without opening the door. Accessories like the pizza pan, roasting tray, and air fry basket are included, adding real value. Cleanup is easy, making it practical for everyday use. Overall, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is an impressive all-in-one solution. With precision heating, versatile functions, and a roomy interior, it truly elevates home cooking. If you're looking to save space while maximizing performance, this countertop oven is worth every penny. Number 4. The Ninja DoubleStack XL Air Fryer, a powerhouse that promises faster, smarter, and tastier cooking. With dual ovens, multiple functions, and family-sized capacity, it might just replace several appliances in your kitchen. Stick around to see if it's worth it. One of the biggest highlights is Ninja's dual zone technology. You can cook 2 completely different meals at the same time, and the Smart Finish feature syncs them to be ready together. Imagine roasting veggies in one oven while air frying chicken in the other. No more juggling timers. Cooking 2 meals at once often means blending aromas, but not here. The flavor seal design keeps each oven's smells and flavors totally separate. That means your garlic chicken won't taste like toasted bagels, and your fish won't affect your pizza. It's a thoughtful feature for households with diverse tastes. The Flex Door makes the DoubleStack XL incredibly practical. Open just the top section for quick snacks, or the full door to access both ovens at once. This design ensures maximum flexibility, whether you're cooking a fast lunch for yourself or preparing 2 hearty meals for the entire family. The Ninja DoubleStack XL isn't just an air fryer, it's a 12-in-1 cooking machine. From baking and broiling to dehydrating and roasting, it covers nearly every cooking need. Whether it's pizza night, meal prepping, or simply reheating leftovers, the versatility ensures you're not relying on multiple appliances. Size truly matters here. The DoubleStack XL can handle 6 pounds of wings, a full chicken, or 6 slices of bread. It's perfect for large families or gatherings, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking. Combined with the speed of air frying, you'll have delicious meals ready in no time. Overall, the Ninja DoubleStack XL Air Fryer delivers big on convenience, versatility, and flavor. It's like having 2 ovens in one compact unit. For busy families or food lovers who want variety without the hassle, this appliance is a game changer. Would you add it to your kitchen? Number 3. The COSORI TurboBlaze, a powerful air fryer that's packed with features designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From its 9-in-1 versatility to protective liners, this review will show you why it's a must-have kitchen upgrade. The COSORI TurboBlaze isn't just an air fryer. It's 9 appliances in one. Whether you want to air fry crispy fries, roast juicy chicken, bake pastries, broil steak, or even dehydrate snacks, this unit does it all. It even includes proofing for dough, reheating leftovers, and keeping meals warm. What makes the TurboBlaze stand out is its 5-speed airflow system. This ensures food cooks evenly from all angles. No flipping required. Pair that with its upgraded DC motor, and you get cooking speeds up to 46% faster than older COSORI models. Perfect for busy weeknights. Cooking like a pro is simple, with step-by-step visual instructions. Even if you're new to air frying, the TurboBlaze makes it effortless. Plus, COSORI offers an online recipe library and video tutorials, giving you fresh ideas and guidance for every meal, from simple snacks to gourmet dinners. Let's talk about the liners. These disposable, non-stick liners keep your basket scratch-free and mess-free. They're waterproof, oil-proof, and make cleanup super quick. Just remember, never preheat with an empty liner, as it can fly into the heating element. Safety first, always. The liners aren't just for your air fryer. They work in ovens and microwaves too. With 100 liners per pack, you can use them under pizzas, pastries, meatloaf, or even during holiday cooking. They're time savers that make every meal smoother, from prep to cleanup. Overall, the COSORI TurboBlaze is more than just an air fryer. It's a versatile, time-saving cooking powerhouse. With even heating, lightning-fast performance, and simple cleanup, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, this might be the perfect addition. Number 2. The brand new Ninja Crispi Glass Air Fryer. This compact yet powerful kitchen tool promises to deliver healthier, tastier meals with the convenience of Ninja's innovative Crispi Power Pod system. Let's break it down and see if it's worth your counter space. The Ninja Crispi includes everything you need: the Crispi Power Pod, a 4-quart glass container, a 6-cup container, and 2 storage lids. This makes it not just an air fryer, but also a complete cooking and storage system designed for everyday convenience and healthier meal prep. Don't underestimate its size. The Power Pod brings full-sized air fryer power into the palm of your hand. Whether you're making crispy fries or juicy chicken, it delivers quick, even cooking. It's small enough to handle easily but powerful enough to rival larger countertop models. Cooking for one, the 6-cup container whips up a personal-sized meal in just 7 minutes. Feeding the family? The 4-quart container fits a 4-pound chicken with vegetables. With the included adapter, you can use the Power Pod on both, giving you true flexibility in portion sizes. Ninja uses clean, crisp glass containers, designed for non-toxic cooking and safe storage. Plus, the heat-safe feet mean you can set it on granite, marble, or butcher block without worry. It's a healthier, safer option that gives peace of mind while still delivering crispy, delicious results. Storage is a breeze, as all parts nest neatly together in your cabinets. The snap lock lids prevent leaks, making it easy to carry meals on the go. Best of all, the containers, plates, adapter, and lids are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. The Ninja Crispi Glass Air Fryer combines versatility, safety, and convenience in one sleek system. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding the whole family, it's a smart upgrade for your kitchen. If you're ready for healthier, faster meals, this might just be your next favorite appliance. Number 1. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. This powerful kitchen companion promises to make cooking faster, healthier, and a whole lot easier. Let's break down its features and see if it lives up to the hype. The Instant Vortex Plus comes loaded with 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. That means you can go from crispy fries to juicy roasts, and even homemade dried fruit, all with just one appliance. It's like having a mini kitchen on your countertop. Say goodbye to greasy meals. Thanks to Even Crisp technology, this fryer delivers golden crunch with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying. Whether it's chicken wings, fries, or onion rings, you'll get that satisfying crisp without the guilt, making it perfect for healthier, everyday cooking. The clear cook window is a game changer. No more guessing or constantly opening the basket. You can sneak a peek at your food as it cooks, making it easier to avoid undercooking or burning, and ensuring your meals come out exactly the way you want them. Nobody likes lingering cooking odors. With built-in odor erase air filters, your kitchen stays fresh. Plus, cleanup is super simple. Dishwasher-safe baskets and trays mean you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Convenience really shines with this design. With 1,700 watts of power, the Instant Vortex Plus cooks fast and evenly. Add built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off, and you've got peace of mind with every meal. The 6-quart Capaci overall, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer is a versatile, reliable, and user-friendly appliance that truly earns its spot in the kitchen. If you want healthier meals, quicker cooking, and easier cleanup, this air fryer delivers on all fronts.